Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to show you how to use HOLOPRINT using your exported MC structure file. If you don't know how to export structures in your world into an MC structure file, you got to watch my previous video. The link will be in the description down below. But if you already got one, then let's continue with the tutorial. First thing first, you have to have this application, the Z-Archiver, because we're going to use this to edit the file and to import it to our Minecraft application. It's available in the Play Store and you can download it for free. Also, it's very important that you take note of the current version of your Minecraft application, as it will play a very important role later in this tutorial. And with that being said, let's get started. Here, I already have a structure, ready to be exported into a structure file. It's my new XP farm design using harming arrows. Let's try to export it using these structure block right here. Just a quick check if the outlines are already aligned. Perfect. Now let's name it so we can export it already. There. Now click that export button and there we go. Here, I already made a folder for it, but you can also save it to any folder you want. Existing folder or new folder depends on you where you want to save its file. But now I'm gonna save it here. There you go. The file has already been saved. You can now exit your Minecraft and check the file. You can check the file using Z-Archiver or your phone's file manager app. And here I checked it using Z-Archiver. The file is indeed here. Now after confirming if the file was saved, go to your search engine. Here I'm going to use Google or Chrome. Now type and search HOLOPRINT, or you can just simply click its link in the description or comment section down below. Alright, once you go to the HOLOPRINT website, it should look like this. See that upload file? Click that, and upload your structure file. Once you upload the structure file, it should look like this. Here, you can explore the settings of the hologram of your structure, from its ghost block scale, texture, in-game controls, and some of its features. But for me, its default ghost block scale is already perfect enough, and so is the texture settings. For the features, again, it's up to you which ones will you want as is or not. But for me, I'll leave everything as is. For its in-game controls though, I highly recommend that you use Minecraft items here, like sword, glass bottle, and not blocks or potential building blocks, so that the following controls won't interfere when you are building your structures. So here I'm going to change this brick into a wooden sword. Let me change this real quick. There you go. For the amethyst shard, though it's an item and not a building block, I'm still gonna change this to a glass bottle. That is because glass bottle is much easier to obtain than the amethyst shard. And as for the others, I think I'll leave it as is. But in your case, it's up to you if you want to interchange or change them completely with a different item. After changing the settings, you can now move to the metadata. Here, you can put a name to your pack. I'll name this pack similar to the name of the structure file, New XP Farm. There you go. You can also put your name here as the structure author. And put a description to your pack if you have a very important note about your pack. Not to mention, you can as well put a pack icon right here, but in my case, I'll leave it with nothing. After you're done with editing, you can now click that generate pack right there. And just wait for a bit to finish making the pack. After it's done making the pack, it should look like this. You can move the structure by touching and dragging your screen and check if your structure is perfect. Now, if you're already satisfied with it, you can click that download right there and download your HOLOPRINT structure pack. After downloading, you can now go to your Z-Archiver app and look for your downloaded pack. Move the pack to the folder from where you save your structure file. From there, extract your HOLOPRINT MCPACK. After extracting it, it should look like this. Now, this part is really important. You won't be able to import this HOLOPRINT MCPACK without doing this step, so pay close attention and follow carefully. Now, you see that manifest.json file? Click that and select the Open option. Once opened, it should look like this. Drag your screen from right to left and look for the text. Engine version. You see that 3 numbers next to it inside the bracket? Change those numbers with the current version of your Minecraft application. And here, I'm going to change it to 1,21,94, as that is the current version of my Minecraft application. Now, after changing those numbers, you can now save it by clicking that save icon at the top right. After saving, close it by clicking this return arrow right here. Now you see that 3 dots in the upper right? Click that and click the multiple select option. Then select the following files just like this. Don't include this HOLOPRINT MCPACK and MC structure file. After selecting the rest of the files, click this check icon right here. Now hold anywhere from the selected files and an option like this should pop up. Click that compress option. And from here, change what name you want to your HOLOPRINT MCPACK. Here, I'm going to name mine New XP Farm. After putting a name, click this box right here and select OK. Now, delete the old HOLOPRINT MCPACK and rename your .zip file into .mcpack, just like this. Click OK, and there you go. You have now your structures hologram as a resource pack. To import this pack to your Minecraft application, just tap the pack like this and click this arrow right here. Select Minecraft and click Always. And now, just wait for your structure resource pack to be imported to your Minecraft application. And there you have it. You have now successfully imported the HOLOPRINT of your structure as a resource pack. Now, to use the resource pack, just go to the settings of the world from where you want to use it. Go to the resource pack option and activate the pack. Once activated, I highly recommend that you go to the settings of the pack and change the toggle to Punch to Activate, so that not all armor stands in your world will display a HOLOPRINT of your structure, especially if you're in survival mode. Now let's see what it's like in game. As you can see, one of its features is the showcase of the material list in-game, which is super cool. Now let's switch to survival mode and test the HOLOPRINT. And here you can see the items we selected for the in-game controls. Let's test them all. And there you have it, guys. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned how to use HOLOPRINT using your exported MC structure file. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you to the next one.